Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video we'll show you how to assemble a Tech Fanatics wheel balancer. So let's get started. We begin by installing the tool hangers first. To do that, unscrew all 3 screws that comes attached with the machine with the help of suitable Allen key. Then take each nut and put appropriate washers on it, and with the help of the same Allen key, screw all 3 tool hangers to the machine. Next, we install the safety hood. To install the safety hood, we first have to loosen the screw on the safety hood hanger and then proceed with the fixing of the hood with the hanger. We will once again tighten the screw on the hanger. In the next step, we will screw the thread shaft. While placing the shaft at the right place, screw it in the clockwise direction. Hang all the cones and calipers on the tool hanger. And keep rest of the accessories on the empty space given on the machine. After that, place the quick release nut on the thread shaft. With this, the assembly of the balancer is complete. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This is Tech Fanatics. See you guys in the next one.